You know how Ryzen 9000 hasn't been that impressive so far? Well, AMD are doing something about it. Many industry reviews of the Ryzen 9700X and 9600X, which recently launched, pointed to how they're being held back by the mere 65-watt TDP, leaving a lot of performance on the table. And it looks like Team Red are actually about to do something about it. For a while now, there have already been reports that they may be moving TDP up for both SKUs to almost double at 120 watts, which should result in a slightly better performance than the, Zen 5% jokes that we've been seeing so far. And now new leaks have come out stating that it's going to be closer to 105 watts. These should drop as a GSA update later down the line, though unfortunately right now we don't have too many of the details, but still, just the fact that AMD recognized the problem and are trying to do something about it to save Zen 5 and its reputation. At least that's something, right? But what do you think about all of this? Let me know down in the comments below, and maybe check out our Patreon, because even a single $1 a month truly goes a long way. Plus huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Avrona, Dev Panda, Bodish Volker, Patrick Harrison, Not a Pseudonym, Max Sumner, Shane Allcroft, Lensby, Level Up, and Robert Sanders. But anyway, that's about it, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to subscribe, like, whatever, and I'll see you all in whatever I make next. Goodbye everyone. Goodbye.